connect, it's Jackie. It's another week and I'm back at Aldi. I'm going to get into the store, get my week of groceries, and of course everything that I get here isn't all that we're eating. I use a lot of foods that we have in the pantry, the freezer, the fridge, and then I have a small Walmart pickup at the end. So let's get in the store, get the goods, and then we'll do the Walmart pickup and see the meal plan at the end. Let's go. My son loves to snack on nuts, so he asked me to get mixed nuts. I'm getting the salted ones. There's almonds, cashews, pistachios, pecans, and macadamia nuts for $12.49. They also have an unsalted version. His other request was yellow Cheez-Its, $3.69. This week I'm buying some different breads from Walmart. I love their everything bread, and that sounded really good to me this week. But we're getting more white bread. My son has been toast obsessed, $1.35. I wanted to get watermelon, but these don't have stripes on them, and that's very odd looking to me, so I don't know if for $4.65 they would taste good. We just finished the last of our mandarins. My kids, these are just such an easy addition, $3.59. My oldest is coming home from a 2-week camp at the end of the week, and she loves apple pie. So on top of making a dinner I know she'll like, I'm also gonna make an apple pie. I'm gonna get 2 bags of these just to make sure I have enough apples. They're $2.99 for 3 pounds. That's the best price per pound apple. I cut up the last of our carrots. I love these 2-pound bags, such a good value, $1.49. I haven't bought radishes for salads in a while, and surprisingly my kids really like these too, $1.29. And the nice thing is when you slice them, these last for a very long time for lots and lots of salads. I have some romaine from last week, but I also want to get this spring mix, $4.89. It's already washed, lots of it. I'm gonna get 3 of these 59-cent ones. Although my in-laws just started giving us cucumbers, so we might be able to get away. They give us green beans, cucumbers, lots of things. Okay, I was gonna make steak bites to go with our mashed potato dinner on Friday when my daughter comes home. She obviously, the vegetarian, doesn't want meat, but I thought this looked really good. Pulled beef brisket, it's $7.99, it's new. So I'm gonna get some buns and we can have sandwiches with the rest of that meal. We do a lot of baking, dog food, the norm. Go through eggs, so I just need another dozen, $2.53. $2.56 for a gallon of 2% milk. I'm gonna grab that, but I'm also grabbing a thing of extra creamy dairy whipped topping for $2.99. My son has a vision of something he wants to make, and he asked me for this. My daughter has been making a lot of coffee drinks at home, and I'm gonna surprise her with this. I think she would like to try this. $2.79. I have never had it, but I thought it looked pretty good. Always running low on butter. We use butter in lots of things, and I'm making mashed potatoes, definitely needed for that. Homemade crust, needed for that. $3.79. I see they have a few more all-dressed chips back there, but for the sake of us not pigging out, I'm not gonna grab any more, but they're so good. Hopefully they keep them around for a few more weeks. I'm making mashed potatoes this week. Of course, that means I need potatoes, $4.49. I'm also making vegetable soup, which is my vegetarian, one of her favorite dinners. So that's gonna be this weekend, her first weekend back in 2 weeks. I need 2 cans of tomatoes for $1.15 each. And then I also need a can of tomato sauce for 47 cents. I'm also gonna add a can of sweet corn for 63 cents into the soup, and 2 cans of sliced potatoes at 95 cents each. Part of my son's dessert idea that he has involves Nutella or the Berry Hill hazelnut spread. We used to buy this all the time. I didn't realize how sugary it is, so I stopped buying it as a norm for toast, but we still get it every once in a while. It tastes just like Nutella, they say. I don't like it, so I don't eat it, but $2.69. I've really been loving blue cheese on salads and blue cheese dressing. I've never bought the Aldi version, I don't think, but I was happy to see they actually had it. I wasn't sure, so I'm gonna get this at $1.89. And because I was over here, I see that they still have the spicy ranch. You really love this. And I think it's $1.49. So I'm gonna get actually 2 of these so we have them in our pantry. I find it's quite easy to get my family to eat salads if I make sure we have good toppings. And that includes cheese and garlic croutons. We also like the Italian ones, $1.25. Okay, I'm gonna get these sesame seed brioche buns to go with the brisket that I bought. I had to circle back around because I didn't originally plan to get these. $3.75. I haven't bought this in a while. It sounds super good to me. $4.49. I love both of them, but this one is the best. Does anyone else ever feel like Aldi reads their minds? So I was just hoping that they have a hamper, and they have these in blue, gray, and like a light pink. But my son, he always puts his dirty clothes in me and my husband's bedroom, but he asked if he could get a hamper in his room like his sister's to start putting them in there, and I said sure. So I'm gonna get him, I think I'm gonna get the gray. I just gotta pull it out of here. But Aldi always reads my mind and gives me what I need. Am I 37 or 7? I don't know, but these are just too cute. They're adorable. I have no need. We don't need another stuffy, but I love them. They also have these dog toys, which my dog needs not another toy. They have really cute tail blankets, a bagel slicer. Yum. Well, I guess not the slicer, but thinking of bagels. Oh, yep, I'm gonna have to get that. It's dishwasher safe, microwave safe, handle with a lid. That is the cutest thing. I love all things confetti, and it's only $4.99. Yeah, I didn't know I needed it, but it's coming home with me. It feels back to school to me when they start having all these lunch kits. We bought these in the past. They do work really well. They're great in the dishwasher. $4.99, new colors. They have these assorted snack compartments. The dressing ones are really nice. Bento boxes, baby even version of a drink and snack cup. Reusable things. Sounds like back to school packing to me. Same with these. Oh look, back to school value pack. We're all set, but that seemed like a great value. That's cute. Dry erase desktop easel, $9.99. They have a couple different varieties. Oh, wireless charging. My husband, I got him this for his birthday a few years. It did eventually stop working, but for $15, it worked great for a long time. And the clock still worked, but the charging stopped. Different outlets, fast charge power banks. We have some of these. Absolutely love them. They're great if you're going to like theme parks or you're going to be away from wall outlets. Wonderful to have. I didn't buy them here, but they're worth investing in. Oh, they have trash cans that match the laundry bins. They're only $2.99. Squatty Potty, off-brand, bath mat, steamer. I didn't even think of this last week. All that USA stuff is for the Olympics. Duh. I think I missed these last week. For $5.99, a student planner, super adorable. Make today great. It's August through July, and I just love how happy it is. You get the full month spread, and then you get days like this with to do. Pretty open. And then at the back you get communication tab. Let's see if there's anything else besides the months. But it's basically set up for a school year. You get academic tracker where you can track your grades. Really, really nice. Another thing I didn't plan on, but for $3, we are always losing scissors. I blame my son for most of it. I don't know if I missed these last week since they're by things that were here last week, but I'm gonna get these for $3. You get 4 scissors. Honestly, you really can't beat that, and we use them all the time. They have lots of name brand things at the end cap here. Gluten-free Chips Ahoy. I have never had to deal with gluten-free, but I bet some people love that. Different Frosted Flakes, different Cheerios. Okay, I love their avocado oil. I'm almost out. $5.49. $2.95 each. I feel like I never realize I'm low on this until we run out, so now I'm gonna start buying 2 when I get them, so I have a pantry one. We use this on homemade breadsticks. I use this on buttered noodles for my kids, which they love. Salads, on top of pizza. There's so many uses, and honestly, my kids love it. Veggie stock for our vegetable soup, $1.45. I feel like I just bought this, so I think it might be lost in our baking cupboard, but I'm not sure. I need it. $1.89. Okay, so I haven't bought the dill pickle slices in a while. I was really hoping they'd have Atomic. Oh yay, way back there, $3.99. I thought these would be good on the brisket sandwiches and then just to snack on. Yummy. Lots of nuggets still here. Mini corn dogs, gyros.
I'm gonna buy one and you try them. And if you like them,
nothing looks new here. Pizza rolls, different pizzas. Yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of new stuff. Oh, fried chicken bowls, like the KFC bowls. We make those at home a lot. Pretty easy as it is. pepper jack pretzel bites. My husband loves those. Breakfast skillets. Stroopwafel ice cream. I don't know why my family didn't gravitate towards eating those. I'm not sure. Nothing really new down here. Okay, for our salads, I need feta cheese, $1.89, and they're all out of blue cheeses. Dang it. Getting a block of pepper jack cheese. My daughters like to slice this with crackers, and they haven't done that in a while. $1.75. And $2.29, the smoked Gouda sounds really good with the brisket sandwiches. Yummy. I'm really tempted to buy this pie crust, but I want to make it homemade. But I know when I go to make it homemade, I'll wish I had bought this. But you know what? I'm gonna not buy it just so I make homemade crust, which is slightly better than this. Oh wow, I think these look like they're really convenient for sandwiches. I don't know that I'm gonna pay a premium because I think you get a lot more in the carton. But this is 19 ounces for $3.29. And these are 32 ounces. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with these. But those could be really convenient, especially if you're not shopping on a budget. Because I was over here, I saw they have dessert dip, cinnamon bun, and chocolate chip cookie dough. Both sound really good. They suggest having graham crackers, fruit, pretzels. It is cream cheese based, which no one in my family except for me will eat cream cheese, so I'm gonna walk away. But they also have different chicken salads. That sounds so good. Green Goddess or lemon poppy seed. I love their chicken salad here. I might try this. I don't know. Maybe I'll do the lemon poppy seed. That sounds really good to me. $4.29. Okay, so for our vegetable soup, I'm getting 95 cents, the mixed veggies. Okay, I can see that I want the California medley, but it's all the way back there. I don't know if I can reach it. Wish me luck. I am tall and long. Okay, so I just had a guy help me get this. It was stuck back there. $1.15, perfect for the soup. I'm getting blueberry wine. My favorite from here, $3.99. They have so many name brand cereals in the Aldi Finds food aisle. Kind of interesting. They also have some different jerkies that are only $2.99. Wow, that seems like a pretty good deal. I wonder how that compares. Okay, I'm actually gonna put my belt on, or I'm gonna put this back, and I'm gonna get the sweet and hot jerky. It's less money, and you get a little bit more than you get in here. Switch. They have mango and watermelon fruit strips. Haven't seen those. They have lots of different potato chips, chili pepper, sweet Maui onion. Yum. $1.95. They also have these ice cream shop truffles. I'm not going to get these, but they have yummy sounding ice cream flavors. There's 12 of them, and they're $3.69. Mexican street corn trail mix. That sounds actually really yummy to me. $4.39. Peanuts, chili lime corn, corn chips, flax seeds, almonds, nacho corn sticks, and elote seasoning. It looks like there's also a Korean barbecue one. Taco kit. A nice little random assortment. Bada bing, bada boom, crunchy broad beans. Yum, that sounds good to me. Spicy wasabi. I might have to try these. And this is proof that I am someone that puts it back. Okay, so here I am. Here's my cart. Got a little bit to pick up at Walmart, but any guess on my total? I got all the way to the car when I realized I forgot waffles. So I'm getting 2 packs of these. $1.99 each. Okay, my first total was $137.04 and then $3.98. And then the thing that made me laugh is your beef jerky comes with a warranty, apparently. I thought that was pretty funny. Okay, so I didn't spend very much at Walmart. It was just over $10, but the main reason I got it was for salt pork. Now, my vegetarian's gone most of the week, and this is the base of a soup that we all really like except for her. So it was a good time to make it, even though it's really warm out. But salt pork for old-fashioned noodle soup. That's like a family recipe of my husband's. I also got 2 loaves of their bread. I love this everything bread. So yummy. And then also for later in the week, sliced Italian bread. Kind of stuff in there. Those were like $1 or $1.29 a piece. I'll put the prices up. And then finally, this one's really hard, but 5 ears of corn. I like getting them in the husk. I can't get that at Aldi. and I could do a pickup here. They're 33 cents a piece, so $1.65 for 5 of them. And that was it. I did try to get one other thing. It was gone. But we got a nice little haul here, and now you can see my meal plan for the week. Let's go. These are really good. If you like wasabi, yum. Okay, our menu for the week. Tonight we're having old-fashioned noodle soup. This is salt pork, potatoes, salt, pepper, water, and onion, and then some homemade egg noodles. It cooks for a long time during the day, and then we'll have bread with that. Tuesday, we're going to Chili's. Again, with my daughter being at camp, we're trying to do some fun things for the two that aren't going to camp. And she doesn't like Chili's while the rest of us do, so we're going there. Wednesday, we're going to have leftovers of the old-fashioned noodle soup, or if we have any leftovers from Chili's, we'll be eating those on Wednesday. Thursday is another restaurant that we are eating that my older daughter wouldn't really like, so we're getting it again while she's gone. This is Bria Tacos. We're going to get them from a restaurant, bring them home, and we can have salads with that. Friday is the day my daughter comes home, so I'm making mashed potatoes and corn, which are two of her favorite things. And then I got beef brisket from Aldi, and we're going to have sandwiches with that. I was going to do steak bites, but that brisket from Aldi looked pretty good. There's my doggie. She's walking around. Saturday, we are going to get pizza. We meant to do this before my daughter went to camp, but then she had some plans that kind of kept us from going to get the pizza. So we'll do that instead, kind of in celebration of her coming home. And then Sunday, I'm making another favorite of hers, vegetable soup, and I'll make crusty bread with that. If I have a recipe to share, I will be linking it below. And if you want to see a super old video where I share how I make crusty bread, it's still how I make it, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.